Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth Carroll, a travel agent with Desirella Travel Company, and I just checked into Cabana Bay here at Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour. As you can see, I've already been out in the sun, so I'm a little red, but I wanted to give you a tour of the room before I unpack and get settled in it. This is a poolside room with 2 queen beds. So when you first come in the door, if you take a turn to the right, you'll have your little vanity area separate from the bathroom, which is nice when multiple people are trying to get ready. Here we have our bathroom. There is a full-size, full-length mirror. And then our shower. It comes with VO5 products. And that's a throwback and some Zest soap. This resort is themed after a 1950s resort vibe. And so that's why the amenities kind of match that you have in here. Now, if you stay in a family suite, which is usually what I get when I have all of my family with me, it also has a living room. And the bathroom is separated into 3 sections. In that room, it has the living room, the bedroom area with 2 beds, and the bathroom split in 3 areas like I just said. It has the toilet in one room, the vanity out in the middle, and the shower and a second sink in the bathroom area. So 3 people can kind of get ready at once. Here's your closet. You have some extra bedding, ironing board, an in-room safe where you can lock up any of your valuables while you're here. It comes with 2 beds, and each side of each bed has its little reading light. Your air can be turned down to 65 in these rooms. And what I like about this setup, I'm not sure what it's like in the room next door, but our friends are there so I can see, is this air conditioning vent is not blowing right out over the beds. I like that because I feel sometimes that bothers my sinuses if it blows out right on top of me while I'm sleeping. You have a fridge right inside here, a mini fridge. A set of 4 drawers, television, coffee maker. Now these are resort refillable mugs that we already bought before we came up. You can purchase these during your stay, and it was $25 I think a piece for a 4 to 7 day plan. And you can fill those as much as you want at any of the Coke machines around on property. And also you can get the ices down in the food court with these as well. Now, like I said, we have a poolside room, which means we have a clear view of one of the 2 pools this resort has. So there you can see is the second pool, and at night they show movies at this pool. And then there's a lazy river right there. And I'll try to get a better video of all that for you all later. But in this building right here, located by the lazy river, I have already purchased this. So I purchased an adult tube. I think it was $17. And what they do is they give you one of these tubes that are already inflated. And then when you're done, you just take your inflated tube back to that little building, and they will give you one that's sealed up like this. So during your stay, you can just do that every day. But when you go home, you'll have a brand new float packaged that's easy for you to take home. So you're not trying to take home a big float that has air in it on your trip. So that is the beginning of this room tour. I will also see right there's the park. So we're very close to the parks. There are free shuttles that take us back and forth. When I'm outside, there's a little bit of Volcano Bay, but when I'm down at the pool, I'll show you a better view of Volcano Bay. But if you think this is something that your family would like to do, I'd love to help make that happen for you. And I can help you book your next trip to Universal Studios, staying at Cabana Bay or any of the other resorts here on property. Thank you.